Hello, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Moomoo Broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select Moomoo Brokers, and then click on Go to Website. You enter the website, and click on the Sign Up option. Then you simply enter your email address, or if you would like, you can easily log in using your mobile phone, and then just click on the Next option button. Then you choose a password for your account, and we recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and click on the Next option. Friends, your Moomoo account has been created, and you need to go to the Open Account section to work with the Moomoo website. Then enter the country you live in and the required documents such as ID card, birth certificate, etc. And then you can start depositing and withdrawing. Good luck and success!